Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Living Flavors with Sunitha. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make kara save. I guess it is called as spicy save in English. I'm not sure about it. If you know the exact name, please do leave them in the comment section below. And it is a very easy recipe. It will hardly take you around 10 minutes to make this. Come on, let's get started.
To a bowl, I'm adding 1 cup of gram flour. To this, I'm adding 1.5 tablespoons of rice flour. Salt is required. 1/4 teaspoon of jeera, 1/4 teaspoon of chilli powder. I'm going to crush black pepper. And now I'm going to grate and add 1 clove of garlic. Adding garlic will give you a good flavor and also a good smell. Mix everything well. And I'm going to add water little at a time, and I'm going to mix it into a firm dough. And now this is ready. And now using the kara save mold, I'm going to make the saves. And this is the mold that I'm using today. You can also use the mold which has only 3 holes in it. I'm going to fill in this mold using the mixture, and I'm going to put it directly inside the hot oil, and it need not cook for more than 2 to 3 minutes on each side. So exactly after 2 minutes I'm going to flip it and cook it for the next 2 minutes on the other side. And after it is done, let it cool down and we'll break them into pieces. And now we'll take this off from the oil and transfer it to a tissue. And now it's ready. We'll break this.
Our yummy kara save is now ready. It's time to taste. It's very crispy. I can feel the flavor from the garlic that we have added. It gives a wonderful flavor. If you do not like garlic, you can definitely skip it. Do try this recipe. Let me know how it turned out for you guys in the comment section. And if you like this video, do give a huge thumbs up and support me. It really means a lot to me. See you guys next time with another interesting recipe or another interesting video. Until then, take care. Bye.